Welcome to Big Data Applications and Analytics, ICP Programming 4. Here we need to perform sentimental analysis tasks on this data using one of the deep learning classifier, Keras model, for the given text. Here we are importing libraries which we have needed. After this, we are importing the data from the given link. Here is the given data. Here we are printing the shape and the details of the column in a data frame. And here we are dropping some of the duplicates from the data. Here we are displaying the information about the data frame. And next we are running to display the count of the negative and positive tweets in the given data. Now we are converting all the given data to lowercase. And here we are removing the Twitter handles. Here from the data we have removed the Twitter handles. Now we are doing the data processing, like removing all the URLs, punctuation marks, and the special characters. Here is the data after data cleaning. Next we are doing tokenization. And after that we are removing the stop words. And we are doing stemming for the stop words. After removing stop words, and later we are doing pivot tagging. Here is a deep learning one of the model, Keras model. Here first we are splitting into the testing and training data set, X train, Y train. And here using that TF IDF vectors, like fitting the data of the X train and the Y train. And in this we are using sequential. and we are doing the predict on the text data, and we are getting the accuracy score.